Radiator parts and their functions. 1. Inlet from engine. The inlet is the entry point for hot coolant flowing from the engine into the radiator. After circulating through the engine, the coolant absorbs heat and is directed to the radiator through the inlet. This hot coolant is then cooled down as it passes through the radiator's core. 2. Pressure cap. The pressure cap is a critical component that seals the radiator and maintains the cooling system's pressure. By increasing the pressure, it raises the boiling point of the coolant, preventing overheating. It also allows excess pressure to escape through a relief valve, ensuring the system remains safe. 3. Upper hose. The upper hose connects the engine's coolant outlet to the radiator's inlet. It transports hot coolant from the engine to the radiator for cooling. This hose must be durable to withstand high temperatures and pressure. 4. Cooling fins. Cooling fins are thin, metal structures attached to the core tubes of the radiator. They increase the surface area for heat dissipation, allowing air passing through the radiator to absorb and carry away heat more efficiently. This process cools the coolant inside the core tubes. 5. Core tubes. The core tubes are the main channels through which coolant flows inside the radiator. These tubes are designed to maximize heat transfer from the coolant to the surrounding air. The coolant releases heat as it moves through the tubes, cooling down before returning to the engine. 6. Drain plug. The drain plug is located at the bottom of the radiator and is used to empty the coolant for maintenance or replacement. It allows for easy draining of old or contaminated coolant, ensuring the system can be flushed and refilled with fresh coolant. 7. Transmission oil cooler. In some vehicles, the radiator includes a transmission oil cooler, which is a separate section that cools the transmission fluid. This helps maintain the transmission's temperature, preventing overheating and ensuring smooth operation. 8. Lower hose. The lower hose connects the radiator's outlet to the engine's coolant inlet. It carries the cooled coolant back to the engine, where it absorbs heat again, completing the cooling cycle. This hose must also withstand high temperatures and pressure. 9. Outlet to engine. The outlet is the point where cooled coolant exits the radiator and returns to the engine. This ensures a continuous flow of coolant, maintaining the engine's temperature within the optimal range and preventing overheating.